Hello, trade pros. Surprise little pop-up mid-afternoon update since we haven't had a chance to do the morning market update today. The markets are closing shortly, but I did want to get on here and send you guys a special message and say hello. First and foremost, to all of our friends celebrating Thanksgiving in the United States and globally, everyone from Trade Pro Academy wants to wish you a happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. This is a weekend to spend some moments and to think about what you're thankful about. Yeah, materialistic goods are great, but you have to be thankful for what you have and enjoy it and appreciate it. And that's our message from everyone here at Trade Pro Academy. I'm thankful for these two beautiful guys over here, Vicky from Trade Pro. Yeah, with the beard. I'm thankful for that beard. It's gnarly. And I'm thankful for Marky's desire and persistence here to keep working, even though Victoria was just goofing off today. Just kidding. But yeah, we're here today in the office working hard for you. We got a lot of great stuff coming up, and we're really excited where Trade Pro's headed. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. We are going to do a little bit of a market update and recap here, and I want to make a really big announcement. We're having our huge, massive Black Friday sale. Donald Trump called and he said, "This is huge." He was very surprised, and I told him, and Donald Trump's going to subscribe, and so is Hillary Clinton. So I think we've bridged the gap. They're now at peace. It's the first 14 days for $1. So if you've been thinking about trying out what we have to offer, I always say in the morning market update, it's risk-free, but really right now is the cheapest you're going to get it. $1 for your first 14 days on any subscription. That's the reaction. Yeah, Victoria's surprised. You should subscribe, Victoria. Yeah, yeah. So it's an awesome deal. Head on over and check it out. You could get this until Monday at midnight Eastern time. So all of Cyber Monday as well. So if you're driving, don't get into an accident trying to sign up. You're going to have a little bit of time. It's going to be there for you all weekend, but I encourage you to check it out and give it a shot. All right, in today's markets, Asia, Japan's closed. Hong Kong was down. China got smashed, down 2.6%. India's closed as well. In Europe at London's, London's about to close, has closed already. They closed modestly down, but not too much, so it's kind of neutral. And the futures here in the United States all down this morning. Crude oil down big. Crude oil is the biggest loser. Bitcoin down 3.3% to 4,300. And I'm going to tell you guys this. Today, the market closes in just under 1 hour. We closed at 1 p.m., 1:15 p.m. Eastern time today. All futures close and the stock market. So we have an early closure. We have Black Friday shopping going on. You guys are probably out there shopping already. And this is the weekend for the retailers. Before we get into oil, let me tell you about retail. 164 million Americans, more than half in the United States, are planning to go out and shop for Black Friday. And we've seen statistics from the past few years where everything used to be just Black Friday. Now it's stretched out more over the weekend and Cyber Monday. And so retailers are really, this is the big weekend. If you're in retail, this is the one weekend all retailers have been waiting for. If you're a retail employee, this is the one weekend that you probably tried to take off. And and it was a blackout because it's nuts. For those of you that work retail, you probably aren't watching this, but when you do watch the replay, we're grateful for you guys. You guys are the backbone of the holiday season. Thanks for your time, effort, and yeah, I know the hustle of retail. I worked retail myself for a period of time, and my wife was pretty big into retail. She's a manager at one of the stores. We know how it goes. All right, power to you. So Black Friday is today. XRT is the ETF that we're following. It's rebounded a little bit. The last couple days, it's kept kicking me in the shin, and it still hurts. I have a long position down a little bit on it, but really right now is go time. So if we have any retail demand, that any report showing retail demand was higher than expected, you're going to see a pretty big rally in the XRT ETF. All right, oil prices are down at the moment, 6.8%. Dropped as much as 7% today. Here's where it gets crazy. For 2018, oil prices are now down 15%. And off the October 3rd, 2018 high, oil prices are down 34%. So in oil, we're currently in a bear market. I think 50 even is a good support level. And just before I turn around to this morning or midday market update, we saw a squawk that says OPEC is not planning on hosting any emergency meetings before their December 6th meeting in Vienna, which basically means they're seeing the sell-off and they're just going to let it happen. So that's bearish news that, there's nothing in the works. They're saying that, we're noticing it, but we're not going to respond to it until December 6th. I still see a little bit more downside in oil. However, I think 50 even will be a good support, and slightly below there, maybe in the 49.70s. And oil looks like it's going to close a horrific last few weeks and close into Thanksgiving, thankful for the close. All right. I think if oil was a person at 115, it's going to be thankful that the market closes. All right, because it hasn't been good. It's just gotten beat up and continues to get beat up. So that's all we have for you guys today. The markets are closed. We'll see you on Monday. We'll resume our service Monday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern with our morning market update. It'll be Cyber Monday, and we'll be trading. The live trading room will be open. For now, I want to wish you guys an awesome holiday, an awesome weekend if you're celebrating, and a happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. I hope you make some great memories. And, at the end of the day, life is about those moments where you sit around the table and you have good company, good food, and you're celebrating moments together. Have you guys ever had one of those situations where you're having great dinner with your family and you just stop for one split second? You're like, I'm going to remember this moment forever. I have those feelings sometimes. Some of them I do remember. Some of them I forget as early as right after I stop remembering. But you guys take care. Have good memories. Have a good time. Be careful. Be safe out there. Party responsibly, but don't get in too little trouble either. We'll see you on Monday. From the whole team at Trade Pro Academy, once again, happy Thanksgiving. All the best. Have yourself a great weekend. Take care and goodbye. I almost said Trade Pros in the room just based on habit, but there is no room. We're closed today. Take care, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Ciao.